Hello, Scott. I'll do even better than post a picture for you. I'll show you the components you would need in order to make up the kit to run your Leslie 122 on your Hammond organ. This is a 428 box. And this is the box that's necessary to change the speeds, tremolo chorale speeds on a Leslie 122. So you would need one of these. Now this is vintage. You could have one of these, or let's go on over to the shop. Into the shop, you can have a 8000 kit. This is the 8000 kit, which does the same thing. So this is just a more up-to-date, modern version of what I just showed you. Okay, this is your B plus power supply, so that you would have the switching. You need that box, one of those. All right, let's see. Here's another version of the same thing. Okay, so this is just another version of what I just showed you. You could also actually use one of these boxes. This is a 047357 kit. That will do the same thing. Okay. All right, so then, in addition to one of those boxes, one of those three, you will need a 4H Leslie Echo Control box. This is what this is. Okay. And you can buy these kits and these kind of boxes from places like BB Organ. All right, Bill Brown says that. Now those are the boxes. Then, of course, you will need the dual switches. Let's see. And of course, well, you know what the switches look like, the dual switches. You'll need a echo switch, and this is just a bag full of the echo switches. So you can look in there and see it says echo. So this is just a bag full of those switches. So you need an echo switch. And a tremolo chorale switch. Let's see, those are more echo switches. Okay. So tremolo chorale switches. There you go. All right, so that's what you would need in order And you, in order to do what you want to do. Now, if you want to go and make your organ look special, you could get one of these ivory switches. So you get the tremolo ivory, and these are very rare. Or the Echo and the Echo ivory. Okay. And what this does is that rather than having the brown switch on your organ, it would look like this. And you would have two switches like this. See? So you can have two brown, or you could have two ivory, a pair of ivory. Of course, the ivory are significantly more expensive than these. And these are more expensive than the new models that they sell, because the new models that they sell do not have this. Doesn't say Leslie on it. It's just like this without the word Leslie. So it does the same thing, functions the same way, but those of us that are collectors, we like for it to say this. All right, so I hope that helps you. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me. You know how to get me. Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.